Want to seamlessly open web links from your SwiftUI app? I'll show you how to make it happen. No fuss or no hassle. All you have to do is to create a new SwiftUI file. But before we do that, this is the app that we'll be creating. The app enables any amount of links to be displayed on the view, and if we click on the link, for example the website link, we navigate to the website irisinsights.co.uk. Click on the other link, which is for YouTube. Navigate to the YouTube channel. And then the final link is the Patreon. I'll do that again. And it navigates to the patreon.com. We will now call our form row link view from our content view to enable the user to navigate to different websites. So in your content view, add the following. Navigation view, VStack, alignment, center, spacing, 0. Next thing we will add is a form. The form has a section, header, and the name of the text for the section header is follow us on social media. The next thing we need to do is to call our form row link view, and then we add our icons, which is the globe and the color pink, and the text, website, and the URL for the website is https irisinsights.co.uk. And then I'll just copy what I just done. So I'll just create another form row link view to add another link. So this link will be for YouTube, but the icon is called play.rectangle, color blue, the text, YouTube, the URL is www.youtube.com @iOS-insights. And then the final row you need to create is called Patron. So the icon will be link, color green, text, Patron, and the URL, https patreon.com/iOS Insights Shop. And then the next thing we need to do is we need to delete that text element on line 30. After line 26, we add a bit of padding. Got vertical 3. And then we add the list style to be a group list style. We can delete our preview. And then I think we're missing a bracket somewhere. The expected bracket. It should be there. Now I just compile it. See if it works. Now let's see if it navigates to the website. Yes, it does. See if it navigates to YouTube. Yes. And then the Patreon. Let me do that again. Yes, it works. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.